Shri B.K. Hari Prasad ji and me, we have a very brief statement to make, and at least today we will not be taking any questions. That's my humble request to you. For since yesterday, the media friends and also a section in the BJP have raised lot of speculation about one of our senior most leaders, Shri Ramalinga Reddy ji. Shri Ramalinga Reddy ji has worked for years with Shri B.K. Hari Prasad ji from NSUI days, Youth Congress days. I want to just say, Shri Ramalinga Reddy ji is an asset of the Congress party. He started working in the Congress party in the year 1973, much before some of us were even born. He was an MLA of the Congress party in the year 1989. He has been elected as a Congress MLA 8 times. He has been a minister multiple times. He has held almost every charge of almost number of ministries that I can't even recollect. His experience and wisdom is extremely valuable to the party. More so because of his old association with both Shri D.K. Shiv Kumar, our Honorable Chief Minister, as also our PCC President Shri B.K. Hari Prasad, and thousands and thousands lakhs of Congress workers across Karnataka. When you broke the news of his so-called resignation, Shri D.K. Shiv Kumar, Shri B.K. Hari Prasad, Shri Siddaramaiah and myself, we all spoke to him, all 4 of us. There was apparently some misunderstanding. He again met Shri B.K. Hari Prasad, me and Shri D.K. Shiv Kumar, Shri Siddaramaiah. He has already, I think, told you that he has withdrawn his resignation. There was some misunderstanding and he shall continue to work as a loyal soldier and minister of the party. So people who were talking about and gleeing and celebrating, there is a BJP is in a state of shock actually, because they thought they were fishing for trouble in the smooth transition of power, and they were hoping that they will be able to gain some political capital out of everything that they lost in eyes of people. Having failed, they were talking about wickets and what not. But let me tell them that both Mr. Vijendra and also Mr. Ashok, you will repeatedly get clean bowled in the court of the people, because to win the trust of the people, you need sincerity, you need commitment, and you need service of the people, which Congress government has implemented through its 5 guarantees. Crores and crores of people, over 400 crore free bus trips through Shakti, and now almost 2,000 crore more for free bus trip for all our students, our children. That is what Congress government is. 1 crore 22 lakh women get 2,000 rupees through Greh Lakshmi. That's Congress government for you. 1 crore 66 lakh households in Karnataka get free electricity up to 200 units. That's Congress government for you. 4 crore 49 lakh people in Karnataka, they get through Anna Bhagya 10 kgs of free rice. That's Congress government for you. Lakhs of children, they get stipend of 3,000 and 1,500 rupees through Congress guarantee. That's Congress for you. And now one more chapter has been added in terms of free travel for our children and students, boys and girls both. Unfortunately, the BJP is peeved with Congress guarantees. And every day, from Prime Minister to BJP leadership of Karnataka, when they are free from fighting among each other, their fratricidal war, then they keep attacking the Congress guarantees. These are not Congress guarantees alone. These are guarantees of crores of fellow Kannadigas. So we ask them that stop trying to take revenge from people of Karnataka by repeatedly attacking Congress guarantees, and all ministers have joined their duties. We wish them success. Shri B.K. Hari Prasad and all our other colleagues have filed their nomination both to Rajya Sabha and to Council today. Yesterday, Honorable Congress President in presence of Rahul Gandhi ji had filed his nomination. This is a new era of progress and development in Karnataka with blessings and leadership of both Shri D.K. Shiv Kumar as also Shri B.K. Hari Prasad and also our former Chief Minister Shri Siddaramaiah and all our Congress leaders. Thank you so much.